guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this oblique blur shake effect on CapCut PC. So select your video, go to animation and select swing bottom and have it for around like 0.3 seconds, up to you really. I'm just going to also zoom in on the timeline so you guys can see what I'm working on. Then I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to type in oblique blur. And I'm just going to add it on top like that and adjust it till kind of like the end of the shake, like the animation, sorry. You're going to put the blur up to 100 and your rotation to 50. Then you're going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and then in the middle you're going to put it at 75. And at the end, you're going to put it at 40. And you're going to copy this 2 times. So just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then I'm going to go to camera shake. Actually, I want to add the normal shake, sorry. So search that. And you're going to put the speed up to 5 and the range to 100. Okay, I think that's too much. Hold on. I think this might be a little bit too long. There we go. So range 2 and speed 1. Then you're just going to copy it at like the beginning of like your videos and make sure you add in the animation as well to that. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!